Yes, sweet. Yes, some sweet ducks. So the hurricane and like Washington Gardens and then Granite Road. I'm kind of outside on the veranda watching the storm as it goes. But just a lot of breeze and it's been raining consistently from about 12 o'clock. I know it's like it's 4. So just a lot of wind. We still have lights and you know, I haven't seen any down trees so far from where I am because time to the boats. But this is what is happening in Washington Gardens, Kingston, Jamaica. That's a lot of wind. I think probably the highest gust of wind might have been up to like probably about 70 miles per hour. Yeah, nothing to like down a tree or anything like that. But, yeah, we get gusts, powerful gusts of wind. You know, now and then. But it's been consistent like this. Honestly, I thought it would have been worse. So, guys, I will try to get some stuff. Surprisingly, these two guys still out. And they say the road is flooded. Just a matter of time before it comes into the house and goes down to the back. Let's hope it doesn't flood the house. So, guys, I will keep the posted.